So on the 6th of December 2018, NiceHash got hacked and lost more than $60 million. Should we shed a tear? Hello guys, welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video we are going to scam expose the manipulation scandal behind NiceHash's hack, that it was an inside job. Because of our calculations, we are going to calculate. So okay, our calculations, there's a lot of calculations in this video. Okay, keep that in mind, like your mind might blow off, so keep that in mind, please keep that in mind. So firstly, the 6th of December, NiceHash got like closed, okay, as we can see here on this pump of the price. So we can see where they exited during the pump, okay, during this bubble of December. Now here is the NiceHash's when it returned 22nd of December. That's like 2 or 3 weeks after that. It's here during the sell-off. So during my calculations, what I have calculated, that they have sold off right here when they started the whole market. I mean, when they started their whole software again, when they were back. Okay, we don't know when they sold. That's the problem, because our calculations, okay, I have calculated since this price, okay, $15,000, about $15,808,000. That's where I calculate their sell-off, according to like also to news and all that stuff. Okay, so really please take this video with a pinch of salt. And the first red flag is that the article of their attack, like attack learn more, okay, it has been taken down by NiceHash themselves on their site. So they are trying to remove their past, okay, they're trying to remove what happened. And here is their address. This is an image of their address. They lost 4,376 Bitcoin. And we're going to measure how much they paid realistically from these 4,376 Bitcoin. Now here, I went to the NiceHash's site. They have this news section. I have looked at their embarrassment dates, okay, and I've calculated the percentages: second reimbursement, third reimbursement, fourth, fifth, and here it is. I've came up with this chart, as you can see here. NiceHash paid at different prices. They didn't pay with the original price of 15K, because if they paid with that, you would have made all the profit you need. Okay, as you can see here, they paid the first ones, second, third, and the fifth 10%, only the fourth 5%. Now here they paid only 45% in total return for miners. Is that really good? I'm going to show you now with my calculations how much good is that. So please now really just concentrate, okay, your mind might blow off. Now here are the prices where NiceHash sold off: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth is unknown. 10, 10, 10, 5, 10%. Okay, as you can see here, the 9,123, 10,000, 7,450, 9,582, 7,552. So the original money stolen is around $69 million something ish. Okay, the price was at where I calculated it was 15,847. Now if they actually sold it at 19,000, they would have made actually like insane money. Okay, like it's with 15,000 it's insane, but with 19,000 it's really way off. Okay, first payment on the 2nd of February during like their schedule. First payment 10%. They 10% off the original Bitcoins for 437.6 Bitcoin. That actually the price. This price is actually calculated by multiplying this with the original price, so we can get the original money, okay, that they paid to get back that. Now total Bitcoin left is 3,938.4 Bitcoin. That's originally about 62 million Bitcoin. We just started to play, guys. It's not yet over. Okay, this is the second, third, fourth, fifth payment. Second, you have total Bitcoins left from here, 3,938.4 Bitcoin. Second payment is 10%, 393.84 Bitcoin out of this, like 10% out of this. Okay, the price, we multiply the price with the current price they gave it. It's it's actually 4,280,000 something. Okay, total Bitcoin left, you have 3,544.56 Bitcoin. Originally that's about $56 million from the 15,000. So if they cashed out, they had that money. Okay, third payment is at the 4th 4th of what is it called? No, it's actually the 3rd of April 2018. You have total bitcoins left 3,544.56 bitcoins. Okay, also right now third payment is 10%, 354.456 bitcoin. That's the 10% of the total bitcoins left. $2.6 million, something like 2.6 million to $2,640,000. Okay, Bitcoin left 3,190.104 Bitcoin. Okay, originally that's 50 million, so the price, like the amount of money, has gone down since they paid more Bitcoin, and it's gone down. Okay, that's the original price at where they sold. Okay, fourth payment, total bitcoins 3,190.104. Fourth payment 5%. Okay, it's different from the others, that's 10%. Okay, 319.0104. Okay, that's $3 million at the current price they sold it in that time, which is the 7th of May 2018. Total bitcoins left 2,871 bitcoins. Okay, that's originally $45 million. 45 million. Okay, total bitcoins left, if we look down, is now 2,871 bitcoin. Okay, on the 1st of June they made the 5th payment, which is the 10%. Now we don't know anything about the 6th payment, but now let's calculate the 5th 10%, 287.10936 bitcoin. That price equates to $2 million, okay, and something $168,000. Okay, total bitcoin left 2,871.936 bitcoin yet left to be paid. It's about $45,498,000. That's too much money. Now realistically, how much they paid? Now I have came with this equation, the original hacked money of Bitcoin, the price, okay, with the money returned. So I calculated the two prices. I actually added up all the prices they paid, okay, and minus that from the original that they got hacked. They, like, really, they didn't pay anything if we think about it realistically. Okay, they paid just like $16 million out of $69 million, which is $52,998,700 left, guys. Okay, percentage, realistically, they actually paid only 23.343%. Okay, they only now own 76.657%. So if we think about this logically, okay, this was an inside job. Okay, if they sell at all different prices, they don't want to actually return the original money. Okay, this is why they're taking advantage of the bear market right now, and they're selling all the prices. This is why you can see on every dip they actually do a reimbursement. This actually gives you an idea how they actually planned all this out. Okay, based on our facts, based on our due diligence, and based on our calculations, they paid nothing. Okay, a lot of people will say, oh, NiceHash is paying some money, yay! But they really didn't pay anything. Okay, they didn't pay a single cent, okay, that is worth. Okay, they paid $60 million, and there's 76%, okay, of the original money still in their hands. Okay, they are not stupid enough to put all their money, in one wallet. That doesn't happen by coincidence. Okay, actually, if the wallet, okay, let's say the wallet doesn't get hacked easily, okay, depending on what platform they use, they might use blockchain.com. But think about it, if the website got hacked, okay, the website, you might lose information, not money. Okay, you might like get the addresses of people, but that doesn't mean that you get the one address that they own. Okay, there's actually a lot of encryption to get to that address. You have email verification, you have Gmail, you have Google verification, you have SMS verification. How did it get hacked? And they have Cloudflare. Okay, if you open on their site, it takes 5 seconds until it opens. How can a company has tens of millions of dollars in their balances, okay, and they do an inside job, and they dare enough tell people, that, oh yeah, we lost the money. That's a huge lie. You shouldn't believe that. I think what I believe is that they took advantage of this pump right here. Okay, if they sold at 19k, we can see that this price, the whole original price, can jump up to $75 million. Okay, like giving them even benefit of the doubt, they are not even winning anything, because look at where they're selling. Okay, they're selling at places which are dumping. They're selling at where people are just selling off their money, their bitcoins, I mean. So really keep that in mind, guys. You don't need to be manipulated that easily by anyone to tell you, oh, they're reimbursing. They're not reimbursing, they're just giving you a bitcoin, but that price of that bitcoin doesn't equate to the price you lost. Okay, that what happened. I had $70 originally and I got $20. Where are my $50? Okay, even if they pay the full price, they will pay you the bitcoin and not the price. Okay, you might lost like hundreds of dollars, but still you'll get back your bitcoin, but not at the same price. Okay, and they're taking advantage of this bear market that is happening right now, and still there's 55% yet to be paid. Okay, what I'm thinking is that they're taking advantage. They're waiting for another bear market. They're waiting for another crisis in this market to sell their bitcoin and give it to these people. Okay, to sell their bitcoin, like giving it to you. But sorry guys if this video had a lot of calculations. I'm just like a bit raging, since like look at the amount of money that has been stolen from people that have been donating a lot of hashing power to this scummy company that is trying to lie to their customers. Look, I didn't see on whole YouTube, okay, any video making calculations of how much they lost. I never saw a video. Okay, and sorry if this video is very late, okay, and I didn't show you since it was hacked, but because we need to actually put the facts together, we need to take all these payments and we need to calculate the original price. Please guys, share this video with all miners, with NiceHash miners. Keep them just informed that they're dealing with scammers, they're dealing with people who are like really just scummy. Okay, what I believe is that NiceHash, there's two things that happened to NiceHash during this pump. Either they knew that that was a bubble, okay, or either they had a pressure from their investors. So their investors in their company had an arrangement to get this full hack. Okay, this might look like a conspiracy theory. Okay, this might look like I'm just making up this talk. But when we put everything together, the percentages, the prices, the dumps, everything, actually also their wallet, we can conclude that NiceHash has made this inside job. So thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for sticking around. Please subscribe to this channel so you can support my channel and everything we do on this channel. Okay, and please guys, just tell me what you think in the comments down below. Are you like with NiceHash or against NiceHash? Actually, any criticism about my calculations is accepted, guys. But any more than that, guys, I invite you to actually look at all these percentages and calculate it yourself. If you like doubt what I'm saying right now, you can calculate all that yourself and conclude what you can conclude yourself. This is why you should do your own due diligence. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys on the next video.